yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, no one like, oh yeah, one like, oh yeah, no one like, oh yeah, no one, no one. Hello, hello, how you doing? My angel, my one and only, the only one that I'm missing. Where they bring me joy and blessings, you know that I love you, and I can't wait to say I do. But before we walk down the aisle, I just wanna let you know that you're the finest. That you be the finest queen I'm seeing, you're the brightest.
What's up everybody, it's Layla and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I accomplish my passion twist hair using the rubber band method. This hairstyle is super easy, it's also affordable, and it's beginner friendly. Let's not waste any more time, you guys. Rate, comment, press that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in another video. Okay, you guys, so the hair that I'll be using is the 22-inch Water Wave Features braiding hair. I purchased this hair from my local beauty supply. This can also be bought on Amazon. I'll also place the link to that down below. I got 8 packs of hair, and the color that I got was a number 1, which is a jet black. I'll be using my Eco Styling Gel with olive oil. This is for all hair types, and it is also alcohol free. Also, I'll be using my Edge Booster water-based pomade. This creates a high shine, moisturizing, and textured natural look. My spray water bottle with coconut oil, rubber bands, and towards the end I'll be using mousse. This has a super hold and it also has argan oil. First things first, and I'm going to be spraying the area that I will be working on. Next, I'm going to grab my Eco Styling Gel and I'm going to be applying it all over this area. Next, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to be sectioning my hair into about 4 to 5 parts. I find this easier than moving back and forth with this process. Take your rubber band, wrap it around your hair, and you're going to immediately go into a twist. I find that this makes it easier for the hair to blend. I'm going to repeat this step to every piece that I have there. So I'm going to tie a rubber band and immediately go into a twist out. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking about 3 pieces of hair and I'm going to be wrapping the passion twist hair around my twist out that I sectioned off 3 times. So that'll be 3, and I'm going straight into a quick braid. And right after the braid, I'm going to immediately go into twisting the hair. Don't forget to grab pomade as you're working your way down on the hair. And I'm going to just continue twisting. And I'm going to show you guys one more time. Wrap the hair around 3 times, and that is 2, and that's 3. Go into a quick braid. And immediately after the quick braid, you're going to start twisting the hair. Don't forget, again, guys, to grab the pomade or the Eco Styling Gel as you're working your way down on the braid. And that's basically it, you guys. The very last thing, I'm going to be applying my Super Hold Mousse on my passion twist hair. And that is basically all, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Rate, comment, press that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in another video.
Angel, my one and only, the only one that I'm missing. Where they bring me joy and blessings, you know that I love you, and I can't wait to say I do. But before we walk down the aisle, I just wanna let you know that you're the finest. That you be the finest.